Hey there everyone. I just wanted to talk to you all because I know the channel has been very quiet for the past 2 months. Very quiet actually, too quiet. Um, at the moment, currently, I am grieving at the moment. I'm still here. The cars are still here. Project posters still here. Um, I've been mostly focusing on my Destiny 2 channel, mostly because it's a bit more easier for me to manage at the moment. Now, I'm not saying I'm giving up on this channel. That's not what I'm saying. What I'm saying is, the projects that I'm working on for this channel to entertain you with is a bit more complicated because it's to do with parts of the house. For an example, the shelves. 3D printed shelves need to get put on the wall. But I'm in the process of looking for another flat. So if I put shelves up now, I probably will have had all the applications filled out by then. I'll be bidding for places in between applications during that time. So I'm just making this video to explain to you what my current situation is. Because I know some of you will be wondering, I've been quiet, where is he? I'm still here. I'm still here. Just been taking it easy with these projects. When I get a new place, I'm going to have to replan them anyway. Because I don't know what the new place is going to look like. I'm going to have to replan the entire layout of them. So yeah, a lot is going on at the moment, personally and business. So I just wanted to update you all that I'm still here, and thank you for sticking around. 95 subs is a lot to me, and you guys sticking around, keeping that number there is amazing. Thanks for the support. I really do mean it. It keeps me going. Thank you.